Hey guys, in my last video I showed to you something that can be a possible bug when exporting SVG from Inkscape and try to load it on GravitDesigner. So I'll try to track where the problem is coming from and try to help the GravitDesigner team to fix this error, okay? The first thing to do is try to reproduce the error. So here I have a simple shape with a linear gradient, okay, in Inkscape. I'll save it as an SVG, so I'll call this Inkscape 2. Try to load it on GravitDesigner, so let's open it, Inkscape 2, this is the last file, and you can see we lose information. As you can see here, the gradient is being loaded, but is not applying to our shape. The main problem of this, if we export again to SVG, let's call it from Gravit 2, we lose information. Here in preview is different. And if we try to load it again on Inkscape, it's a different image, okay? Let's take a deeper look on the files. Opening the files on a test editor, we can see some difference between the SVG generated by Inkscape and generated by GravitDesigner. So, if we compare the tags, we can see a difference here. The linear gradient written by Inkscape is not present on the GravitDesigner file, okay? This can be a problem when loading the SVG file. Probably GravitDesigner is losing information in this point, and of course if it is lose information it can write it again, okay? Just to make sure, let's create another test, creating the same file in GravitDesigner and trying to export it natively, okay? I'll create a new design, draw a simple shape, change it to use a linear gradient, okay, and let's export it to SVG. Let's call from Gravit native. Let's compare this native SVG with the imported and exported version. Here we have a linear gradient, okay? So if we create our images directly on GravitDesigner, no information is lost. So help this information can help the GravitDesigner team to fix and make this tool even better, okay? And to finish, sorry about my English, I'm just practicing, okay?